packing up, finished shooting, and got 2 shoes out of the way. It's beautiful, wind's blowing perfectly today, reflection, light is perfect today. It's really bringing out my eye color, and you know, I'm thinking about doing like 5 more shoes, shooting them today, just because today's like perfect, and you know, why not? It's like kind of an overachiever, just slightly an overachiever. I don't seem to get tired ever. It's like, I don't know what's wrong with me. Is it a problem? Could I be diagnosed with something? Is it OCD, overachiever Marissa? I have no clue. Yet to be diagnosed. Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 lows in the Legend Blue colorway. Let's take a quick look. And welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe now, as well as give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me any comments or questions you may have at the bottom. Also hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you guys to miss out on, as well as a coffee with shade tomorrow morning. So set your alarms for that one. Also be sure to check out those membership tiers. We've got some great perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 lows in the Legend Blue colorway. You guys already know the drama that happened to me on this shoe when I thought I'd won a raffle early for this, but they actually didn't have them, and so they tried to confuse me and give me a 12 for an 11, but I know the difference. That's right. Called them out on it. So here we have it, a little delayed and late, but nonetheless, we are doing an unboxing and review on this. So we're going to start out with the overview. Then we're going to talk about size and fit, followed by styling. As you guys know, the bright citrus, you're going to have to give me your thoughts on which colorway you like the best and what outfit you like the best. Then we're going to conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. So let's get into the overview. Again, the 11s are known for that just beautiful, crisp patent leather, and they have done such an amazing job with that crisp white patent leather here. This is such a clean, fresh look for the summer. We've got that mesh tongue going on with hints of that UNC color scheme popping through on the Air Jordan branding there. Again, this is finished off with just some nice, simple white laces that just, again, really complete this look and make it look such a clean, fresh color scheme for the spring and summer. So let's take a closer look at those little details. side panels, again, we've got more of that just crisp, fresh white patent leather, underlays again of that just nice simple leather underneath, and then we've got more subtle hues of that UNC color scheme on the embroidered Jumpman, again with the 23 split on each of the heel counters. As we move along into the inside here, we've got just nice black on the inside of the collar and the back of the tongue, as well as the insole, with just some nice silver color scheme, and it says 25 in there. So the insole is potentially celebrating the anniversary of when this colorway actually last came out, which is insane to think, 25 years, which was called the Columbia. They obviously switched the name up to the Legend Blue, but the Columbia came out back in the day, and that occurred during the 1996 All-Star game. But the 95 is the year that this silhouette was recognized as being debuted. So definitely very interesting that they chose to put 25 in there, but it could be just a subtle recognition to the anniversary for this colorway, which is pretty nice. All right, so moving down to the midsole, again, nice crisp white midsole with this icy blue on the outsole. And then we've got that nice UNC checker mark on the inside there. So definitely a fresh, cool colorway for the Jordan 11 low, and I'm excited to show you guys how these look in the styling section. Discuss how the size and fit was on these. So I'm a size women in 9s, but 7.5 in men's, which I would say definitely stick true to size on this one. Again, I do have narrow, high arch feet, and I like to wear my shoes on, you know, with a little bit of extra space. So definitely will depend on how you like to wear your shoes versus how your foot shape and size is. You have flat, wider feet, it may differentiate from how the shoes fit me. All right, so moving on to the styling section. Again, you guys already have seen the styling done on the bright citruses, but I would love for you to see it on the Legend Blue. So first up, again, we've got that Primark denim romper, and I think that denim romper just really plays so well with the blue hues in the shoes, specifically the UNC and icy blue soles. And obviously it's a different take with the bright citruses, but I think they both do a great job in different ways.
They wouldn't give me the answer, so I gotta go out and get it. I'ma hold them off for ransom. This how I planned it. Did it right here where I'm standing. Came from the mud, they counted us out. Now we standing on the planet. They don't know just what to do with me. Promise this is nothing new to me. If you came in here to ruin me, hope you writing out a eulogy. I was tailor-made beautifully. You can never find two of me. Look how I'm shining. Cold turn into diamonds. I need a moment of silence. This is our moment, always on the grind till the sun come on us. They can never control us.
So for the second look, that was the Nike leggings with a nice white swoosh on the side and that Roberto Cavalli sports top. So again, I think that the black obviously plays quite nicely with the inner lining of this shoe, but also that crisp white color scheme on the top really just plays well with the color scheme of the shoes also.
Running for the prize, raise high for the toast. This is our moment. 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 Gladiator in this art of war. What you think that I've been fighting for? Got a cape on like a superhero. They rushing at me like a matador. Nah, I energy. I don't need the negativity. I'm just trying to bring my people up. Promise y'all I got the remedy. Straight to the roof, tell them we bringing the troops. We got a little surprise, you thinking that we ain't the truth.
So for the last and final look, again, those were some just simple white redone baggy jeans. And I topped that off with Primark scrunched up top that was cropped. And I topped that, or concluded that outfit with a nice Nez denim jacket from Culture King. So definitely some nice blue hues that I thought would really bring out the nice subtle icy soles on this one.
We give it 120, we never make an excuse. So go run and tell everybody down that we coming for you. This is our moment, always on the grind till the sun come on us. They can never control us. Running for the prize, raise high for the toast. This is our moment, always on the grind till the sun come on us. They can never control us. Running for the prize, raise high for the toast. This is our moment. This is our moment.
So you guys let me know, what was your favorite color scheme out of this silhouette, the Legend Blue or the Bright Citrus, and what was your favorite look?
Like me, I did this on my own. You asking where we been, huh? I don't know where to begin, huh? All this dirt on my skin, I just came here to win. I'm more than a man, I'm a monster. Somebody call a pastor, doctor. I got a 6th sense for imposters. So now I'm coming for the whole roster. It's not a game, why you playing with me? You could double back, lose track, try and hang with me. It must be in my veins, something you can't tame, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains. They try to hold me, I'ma push back. Just wait and you'll see. Please excuse me, your honor, but you can't hold me no longer. Can't you feel the vibrations? I broke out and left traces. Go ahead, try to catch me if you can, man. You'll be looking all night, I'm the Sandman. New York, London to Japan. I'ma show the whole world who I am. Boom, boom, boom. Major look, huh? Yeah, this one is for the books. All these chances I took still, I move straight on these rooks now. Hold me up or hold me down, have my back or hold my crown. Either you with me or not, but you better give all you got, cause I break the chains. Can't control me. I got the power, I got the keys, cause I break the chains.
All right, so now let's conclude with the resale on how these shoes are currently doing. All right, so these shoes retail at a $185 price point, just like the Bright Citruses, and they are currently going between $225 and $250 depending on what size you are. All right, you guys, thanks so much again for tuning in to another one of my unboxings and reviews. If you were new here, thanks so much for tuning into this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe. Also, if you haven't already, hit this video with a thumbs up. Also, if you have any comments or questions on this review, be sure to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell as well, because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on, including that coffee with shade. And we've also got some amazing membership tiers, so be sure to check those out in your free time, as well as our merch store. All right, until next time, this is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.